Today we're talking about LTX Desktop. Let's get it completely installed, used, see if it's the amazing tool or if it's not an amazing tool. We're here. We're just trying to dig right in. LTX 2.3 just came out. It's fully open source, so you can run everything on your local computer. Now, I'm Harrison, and I build AI and procedural tools for game development. I've helped ship some of the biggest titles in the industry. And yeah, I am interested in everything AI and video and gaming and 3D, all that space. So let's dive right in. All right, so LTX just released LTX Desktop. It's powered by their newest and open source model, LTX 2.3, and I am super excited to test out making videos with this. This is basically an AI first editor, which is something I've been building on my own. But the fact that they have this and open sourced it and it's using their latest model means I have to check it out. So, the amazing thing about it is that it is open source. So all the code is right here on GitHub. I'm first just going to install it with the installer, and we're going to see how it works. So we're just going to go through the whole process here, and we are going to figure it out. And also make sure that you have enough VRAM, because this is something it'll run locally. So you can make as many generations as you want for free. Pretty amazing. Like, this is a very exciting new world we're living in, where you can make a free, honestly, you can make a free film. Now, obviously, it helps if you have a good GPU. Right now, my specs are, I have a 5090 RTX, so I'll be able to run anything, but make sure your system has at least 32 gigs. So yeah, but honestly, I have another computer that is 3060 Ti. I was able to run LTX 2, the previous model, without any issues. So that's something to take into consideration. But man, this is exciting. It's really exciting, honestly. Now I have to be a little bit quiet because I have a sleeping baby and wife, so apologies for my calm and soothing voice. But we can even go to the installation guide just to make sure we're doing everything right. Okay, it says VRAM recommended, which means probably not absolutely needed. I know on 1.2GP there is probably going to be different workarounds. So honestly, the fact that they make it this simple is pretty cool, because man, this world of AI is amazing, I have to say. All right. So what is build something serious on LTX? I'm honestly really excited to make my own modifications to this. Okay, so you can download the upsampler to get 1080p. Yeah, that's worth it, definitely. Obviously, yeah, you can build on top of it, which is really cool. Like, built it with VS Code. Yeah, honestly, it's pretty crazy how all of this was probably vibe coded to a certain extent. Like, just cool. Very, very cool. All right. Yes, I have read them. Where do you want to install the models? Probably. Why isn't it opening? Okay, some bugs. Whatever. Not a big deal. Can always move it later. All right, whatever. So what I'm really excited for is just this timeline. Like, you know, we all know how to work with, well, a lot of people know how to work with these just regular video editors. Like if you use DaVinci or Premiere or Final Cut Pro, like we all understand this kind of, this look. We all know this. And what I'm curious about is if it uses if they have any other like models associated, because like I've been using some different like open source audio generation models and all these kinds of things. Hey, is this Kazakhstan? That's cool. My wife's Kazakh. That's interesting. I mean, well, we don't know. It could be Mongol. It could be lots of different things, but very cool. But horses, they come from Kazakhstan originally. At least a lot of them. Yeah, honestly, this is going to take some time. So, all right, it just finished up. And actually, I just wanted to show you guys, if you run into an issue, just submit a pull request. Like I just submitted this for that button issue that wasn't, the browse button wasn't working. Boom, super simple fix. And now it's just waiting on people, and like people have been asking about it. Lots of people have been saying it's an issue. So obviously just help the developers out, you know? All right, so next, this is LTX Studio. Oh, I'm excited. Create project. Obviously got to go with test 01. Let's see if this one works. Yeah, see, this browse works. Let's create it in F. Let's do. Oh, did I forget to add the folder for? Okay. So I wonder what we can do here. LTX fast. Okay, let's try. Whatever. Let's try that. Okay, so I wonder, are they gonna allow us to? Okay, it looks like it's fast. Z image is pretty fast. I mean, we could even generate this as a video, but okay. I do like that it looks like they learned or they took some guidance from DaVinci, which is also an open source editor. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see how fast this really is. And also we can check to see the memory usage. CPU and here. Interesting, it's using a lot of RAM. Interesting, because it says you only need 32 gigs of VRAM, okay. Did it say how much RAM you need? I don't know. Although RAM is expensive now. That's what I hear. So that is sad. So honestly, not a huge fan of this Z image. But it is interesting to see that we can actually get started with this so quickly. And yeah, I mean, so far, I like that it tells you the progress. And I really want to just see what it's like to add something. I can add this, I guess. Okay, yeah. So, interesting. Looks like this picture changed, kinda. Yeah, okay. Not horrible. All right, so let's see what are some common things that they say. I'm for local. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm interested in. This idea of fill with image or fill with video. Like that is interesting, but I wonder, do I need multiple? Okay, let's see. If I take this, put it here. Ah, okay. Maybe we should get a different, maybe we should do a different video for that. Mm. All right, so let's see. We can just do um, so this is already a problem I can see, is that I want to be able to add images as my reference images, like similar to how I do with Nano Banana 2 especially. I'd like to have other models that I can use here. So I'll probably, maybe I'll make some additions to this, adding the ability to select different models. But yeah, so I want it to stay the same look without having to specify, which means I would like to take this key image and add it here as an input. But whatever, let's just see. Oh, also, I don't know if you can see. There we go. That's probably easier now for you to see. See what you, okay, yeah. Um, so kite surfer on, I don't know, something. Or what would be also cool is to have like the ability to like take all of this as reference. So this is your kind of reference for that shot, and then it's, yeah, it is all kind of in that same style. I can see that it's a very simple program right now, but the good thing is it's open source, so we can get a whole bunch of people using it and updating it, making improvements. That's, I think, where it really could shine. Um, but I feel like we got to test this model out better than that. So I'm going to do generate a video. Oh, can I not? Oh, so you can't generate in a queue? Interesting. What? Okay, now let's just do a video. Let's try a video without an image input. So this is the issue with working with like open source models, is they're not as quality as the like the paid ones. However, if you can get like 80% of the video made with an open source model, and then the last like 20% you're using different like models like Seed Dance and Cling 3, and like, if that's probably the best way for most people to generate videos, because really this is just kind of giving us a way to be a director in a way. That's kind of what we're able to direct AI videos now, and I think it's a pretty amazing time. Like, I want to just test out this this fill with video idea, because I think that's one of the things that got me to be kind of excited about it. Is, all right, here we go. So let's see, we got Yeah, I think you're gonna want probably to have let's just see what we got. Let's just see if we just generate. Or no, actually, I could even do a morph between. That would be interesting. Let's see. I do like that. That's cool. It's a cool little feature that I think is beneficial. Now I'm curious about this, what the difference between if it's gonna have audio or not. I think it said audio, but why would it allow you to have the option here? Very rough video editor, but also exciting to see the possibilities. The way I see this is kind of a blank canvas that we can then build into something that we like. All right, let's see what it did. Okay, I think that was a fail. Huh. Okay, well, definitely not there yet, but I do like the potential, and I'm still excited, even though I know that probably a lot of people are going to be like, this is crap. But I don't think it's crap, actually. I think somehow it's just not getting the images. It's buggy. It's probably vibe coded. Probably they don't have a huge amount of people building this, so I totally get it. I am. So like there's open source models that they could actually use for this. I would recommend them using like GLM5. Or no, wait, what's one that GLM 4.7 Flash that runs locally. So, there's a lot of potential for this. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you want to use something like this, and if you're excited, not excited, subscribe, and I'll keep testing different tools out, and in the AI video and gaming space.